Assalamu alaikum and beautiful morning everyone. Welcome back to your English class. Hope you are all doing well. Let's start our lesson 3 of Block 13. The topic for today's class is identifying argument and evidence. It's written by Mary Silva Turner. It's a persuasive essay. Our aim for today's class is to identify the main argument and the supporting evidence. Agenda includes activity, discussion, and then we'll go for writing. Resources required for today's class are content book page number 74, notebook, and a pencil. Keywords of our today's class are just like evidence, number 2 research, and number 3 is supporting. Evidence is nothing but proof, we can say. Proof is your evidence, fine, or facts which supports the opinion here. Number 2 research. Research is nothing but scientific study, or you can say study here to find more information about your studying, right? That's your research. And then is your supporting. What does this mean? Supporting is nothing but here it means serving to confirm the evidence, fine. Let's go for our activity of today's class. So children, I want you all to read the essay once more and then fill in the evidence table for both the sides of an argument. Open page number 75 in your content and just try to do your activity over there. Fine, let's start. What you have to do here is you have to find out the evidence for, and also you have to find out evidence against. Fine. Evidence for in the sense, in the opinion that are video games a good form of entertainment? It's a statement for that. Evidence for means agreement. In agreement to what you have to say, that you have to write with the your evidence for. First you have to write with the examples, and then you have to write evidence against. Evidence against is nothing but you're not agree with that statement, fine. So you have to find out both agreement and disagreement regarding the statement. So let's start doing that. We have already read the block, isn't it? Once more I will try to read. If you find any evidence for or evidence against, just let me know. Fine. So we'll start from your page number 71. Fine. So everyone, put your fingers on the words, eyes on your content, and ears on me. A researcher named Bavelier studied how video games affect our brain and body. He found that playing video games can actually improve vision. So here it is given, it helps improve our vision, isn't it? So who said this? It's come from the researcher whose name is Bavelier, fine. So it is already given in your table, okay. We will take down now, later we will write in the table, fine. It's improve our vision, so underline it. It's from the Bavelier, fine. And also it helps people find small objects hidden among other objects. People who played video games were also better at moving their hands and fingers to move objects. This is also there, but I guess it isn't required for you now. So we'll go for next paragraph. Children, look at this now. In addition, Bavelier found that people who played video games were better able to multitask. Who said this? Bavelier only, a researcher, fine, named Bavelier. While three objects around them, most people cannot keep track of three objects around them. Video gamers can keep track of 6 to 7 objects. You can say that they can do multitask here. Okay, we'll go for next. Another researcher, Zicherman, found that video games can actually help children become better problem solver. It actually helps children become better problem solver. Who said this? Zicherman. Fine. These are all the points which are in which you are agree with this. Fine. Okay. Next we'll see here also in this. So children, I want you all to check next page. On the other hand, Megha found out that There were also some bad consequences of playing video games. Bad consequences means bad results of playing video games. Let's find out now, which means here it comes evidence against. Okay, you are not agree with that statement. Fine. Okay, in disagreement, you have to find out the evidence here, proof against it. Fine. So check here. Let's start reading. One scientific study found that violent video games could teach wrong values. Teach wrong values. From where do we get this? From the scientific studies. Fine. Then, according to this study, children who played violent video games were more likely to think that violent behavior and bad language is okay. The American Psychological Association found that video games could harm concentration too. Who said this? American Psychological Association. So this is also one more your evidence against. Let's go for next. Fine. So children will go for next paragraph. Studies have also found that children who become addicted to video games um, may have fewer friends. Here also studies also found that children may have fewer friends, those who are addicted to playing video games. Okay, because they only play games by themselves. They sometimes stop doing their homework and fall behind in studies, and also they fall behind in studies. If there is any other things also we will find out now here. So children, check your next page. Children who play too many video games do not get enough exercise. So this is one of the what you're telling evidence against which you are not agree with. Fine. Research shows that of these problems can even cause depression in children, and also one of the proof that it causes what? Depression in children. So let's go for next paragraph. If there is any, we'll find out and then we will write in the table. After her research, Megha realized that there were facts that supported both sides of this issue. She had still not formed an opinion. However, oh well, she thought, I'll figure it out after playing some football. So let's start writing our table now. Fine, children? So get ready. First, already given in the table, it helps improve vision. Also, we found that in your first pages, right? So, next one we will write now. What is the next one here? You can write people who played video games were also better at moving their hands. This we can write there, okay? Better at moving their hands and fingers to move objects. Okay, this is also from Bevillier. Fine. So we can write this in the table. So children, check your table and then use pencil and write. Better at moving their hands. It is also from research Bevillier. Fine. So I will not write that because it is already given over there. Fine. We'll go for next. Next point. What do we find, children? Check. Let's check your page number that 71. And there we have underlined. Bevillier found that people who played video games were better able to multitask. This we will write now. Better able to multitask. Fine. Here, next point. Better able to multitask. It is also found by the researcher Bevillier. Fine. Now we'll go for next one. Same. Your same page in that it is given. Another researcher, Zitterman, found that video games can actually help children become better problem solver. This also will write now. So we'll go for your evidence for table and then we'll write this. Better able to solve the problem. It is told by Zitterman. Fine. It is told by whom? Zitterman. I know here you cannot understand. I'll share this notes in your WhatsApp group. Fine. So do not worry. We'll go for evidence against now. Now go for your next page in your content. That's your page number page number 72. Let's find out evidence against. Fine. Here we have underlined what? One scientific study found that violent video games could teach wrong values, right? So that we will write. It's already given here. We'll go for next now. Next we have underlined that the American Psychological Association found that those who play video games could harm concentration too. So harms concentration. Who found this? American Association, Psychological Association. That we will write here. Harm concentration. It is said by American Psychological Association. Let's go for next. Studies have also found that the children who play video games or addicted to video games may have fewer friends. Okay, fewer friends. May have fewer friends. This also will write. It is what is the proof for this? Studies. Yeah, it is said by studies. We'll go for one more point, then we'll complete our table. Okay, we'll go for next. Here it shows that children will research shows that problems can even cause like all these problems even can cause depression in children. This also will write can cause depression in children. It is said by the studies. Fine. This is what the proof for your evidence for an evidence again here. Okay, now let's go for our discussion time. Now children, I want you to answer me for this. What makes a good argument? An argument is one that presents an opinion and supports it with facts. Okay, a good argument is a persuasive argument, as it is persuades or convinces the other person to agree with you. Simply stating an opinion without supporting it with facts is not persuasive. Fine. So let's summarize our today's class. Argument is nothing but your main opinion. Evidence means supporting facts, okay, which serves you to confirm your evidence. Fine. Proof. Okay, like first argument, video games are good for us. What is the evidence for that? Research. Next argument is video games are bad for us. What is the evidence for that? Scientific studies. Fine. Hope you all have understood the concept. Jazakumullahu khaira. Thank you.